Hello, I am Dr. Ram Narayan, Senior Consultant Neurosurgeon based in Chennai. I focus on functional neurosurgery or restorative neurosurgery. That is, I try to restore lost brain function or function of the spinal cord and the nerves by surgical methods. There are various conditions which can be treated by surgery and with very good results. Today I'll be talking on surgery for stroke rehabilitation. As you know, stroke is a condition where there is a loss of blood supply to the brain or bleeding into the brain, and this causes many effects. The commonest which we see is called hemiplegia, that is paralysis of one side of the body, one right side or the left side, hand and leg. This is very crippling, especially because if the right hand is involved, because as we all know, we use the right hand for most of our activities. This crippling effect is pronounced especially in people who are still active, that is young people, that is 40s, 50s and all that. When a person has a stroke, initially there are a lot of acute management done, including clot busters like TPA and all are used. But some patients are not good candidates for all these things. Some people undergo surgery for removing the clot and all that, and post-operatively as well as CVAC, after all these procedures, patient undergo a lot of exercises, that is physiotherapy for the limbs. But a condition called spasticity sets in. Spasticity is also known as stiffness of the hands and legs, that's the muscles. This spasticity is is a problem because it affects the physiotherapy, that is the mobilization of the patient gets affected because of the spasticity, and it also produces a lot of pain in this patient. So what happens is, when they do physiotherapy, they get pain, so they do not do or do not want to do the physiotherapy. So that way, the progression will not benefit, they will be affected. In those patients who are having spasticity even after 6 months, more than 6 months to up to 1 year of paralysis, what we can offer is what is called intrathecal baclofen pump. Baclofen is a muscle relaxant which helps in reducing the stiffness of the muscles, that is both on the hands and the legs. It's a very, very well-known drug, and this drug is available in an oral form, in a tablet form. Unfortunately, the tablet form the disadvantage is that it is not well absorbed from the stomach, and it does not cross and into the brain. There's something called a blood-brain barrier which prevents the drug from crossing over. The drug, so in most patients the drug is not effective. In those patients where the drug is not effective and where there is severe spasticity even after 1 year, we offer this surgery called intrathecal baclofen pump. Intrathecal baclofen pump is, we put a pump under the skin of the stomach at the lower abdomen, and then this is delivered the baclofen is directly delivered into the spinal cord, and then from there into the brain directly. This is a very simple surgery, and the surgery time is less than 1 hour, and the patients can go home the next day morning. It's very effective surgery, and the surgery is approved by agencies like FDA and all that, and India by agencies like the CGHS, ESI and all those agencies. Before the surgery, always a trial is done to ensure that the patient is going to be a good candidate for surgery. Thank you very much.